So now we will talk about Microsoft Teams, how easily you can access Microsoft Teams in web as a Windows application and as a mobile application. Because Microsoft Teams available in all three formats. So no matter which device you are using, you are communicating using mobile, you are communicating using Windows application, or you are communicating using web application. You will get a real-time update in all three devices. So let's see how easily you can access Microsoft Teams using Microsoft 365. For that, you need to log in Microsoft 365.com using your Microsoft account. You will click on App Launcher and here you can see Teams. Click on Teams and it will take you on next step and there you can see teams.microsoft.com. This is the web version of Microsoft Teams. Similarly, if you already installed Microsoft Windows application, you will find as a Windows application, open that, and you will see the similar options are available in web and in Windows. The reason behind that is I am using same login in Windows and in web. So if you want to install Microsoft Teams in mobile, go on Play Store or App Store. Search for Microsoft Teams. You will get installer and get it installed in your mobile. So this is how you will have Microsoft in your mobile, in your PC, and as a web application. So you can communicate with your team member, with your colleague, and with your department.